Good morning students, welcome back to today class. The last class we saw about the formations of villages, and the second one is life in villages. So the earliest they were lived nomadic life, and because of the main reason, the food and shelter, they moved one place to another place, that is called a nomad life. And life in villages in our India, 60% of people lived in villages. The village life is very joyful, so all the people's very calm and friendly behavior, and share their things with one another, and people live together as a one big family. And this is the lifestyles in villages. And today topic we are going to see about occupations. So what is a main occupations in village side? In many villages, the farming is the agriculture. Farming means agriculture is the main occupations of village peoples. And farmer cultivate using the fields. They are cultivate a lot of crops like wheat, sugarcane, maize, rice, vegetables. So these are the different varieties of food they are prepared. They are prepared. Prepare with the prepared farmers. These are the different crops the farmers producing like wheat, maize, sugarcane, and rice and vegetables. And especially the South India, so which is the main occupations of people. The fishing is the main occupation in the south side. South Indian peoples, they are their occupation it's called their occupation it's called fishing. And in the Jammu Kashmir people, village the village people mainly engaged in art and craft works. So the Jammu Kashmir peoples they are engaged in work of art and craft activities. So these are the main occupations of these people. And next one, the Grama Panchayat. So what is called Grama Panchayat? So in many films also we can see this sittings under the tree. One people sit on the chair, and the other peoples are following and hearing this man orders, and this man announcements. They are following this person announcement. So this person, it's called the head of the panchayat. So these are the this is called Gram Panchayat. This is followed in village side. The people in village have lot of needs and problems. So how they are solved their problem. So how these peoples they are solved problem. So through this Grama Panchayat, through this person, they are solved problems and needs. So the local government in village, it's called Grama Panchayat. So the local government in village, it's called Grama Panchayat. So the Grama Panchayat means a group of people that looks after that needs and wants of the people. So all the people gathered one place. So every time, every times the meeting it's conducted, and every village has a Grama Panchayat. Every village of India has a Grama Panchayat. The Grama Panchayat members are elected by the people. So the head of this people elected by this village peoples. ஸோ எப்படி உங்களை செலக்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க அப்படின்னா வந்து த்ரூ திஸ் பீப்புள் ஸோ திஸ் பர்சன் இஸ் எலெக்டட். The head of the panchayat, the head of the panchayat, it's called it's called Pradhan or Sarpanch. So this person it's called Pradhan or Sarpanch. The Grama Panchayat meets at a regular interval and discussed. So what is the importance of this meeting? So the other people's they are discussed their requirements, needs and problems to this to Pradhan. Pradhan means the head of the people. So they are discussed about all the requirements to Pradhan. So that person hear the people problems and solved that problem. So all the village have a main problems, water, electricity, schools and health centers and roads. So these are the basic problem of all village people. So these problems are solved by the head of the panchayat people. Okay, next one, the villages earlier and now. So nowadays all the villages also all the villages also developed. So the earlier the people only used bicycle, but present days even all the village people they are using motorcycle. So it means the transport level increase in village areas. So the earlier level and the present level, the people live in the earlier the people they were lived in kucha houses. Kucha houses means it is made up of stick, leaf, grass. So the present days the people lived in pakka house. So pakka house means it is in this house it's made up of cement, bricks and sand. So it is too weak. The kucha house it's too weak, but it is strong. It is stronger than kucha houses. And farmers were not educated earlier period, but the farmers also even all many farmers are educated and they are operating the system also. So farming has improved in present days. And next one, the people in village earlier traveled on foot or bullock cart. Even they want to go any places means by walk or with the help of bullock cart only they are moved one place to another place. But present days the people's using autos and buses and own motor vehicles. They are moving one place to another place because the village are now connected to towns by roads. The village are connected to towns by roads. So the traveling is very easy as compare the traveling is very easier now. Okay, so dear students, I learned this topic today. Thank you.